Hi guys, today I am now concentrating on the card The Lovers. The card, the key 6 numbered from Major Arcana, and let us begin with the lovers. What we call love is really a whole spectrum of relating, reaching from the earth to the sky. At the most earthly level, love is sexual attraction. I'm now describing what I am feeling now about this card, and so let us begin that what lovers are going to give me the messages from their self. Many of us remain stuck there because our conditioning has burdened our sexuality with all kinds of expectations and repressions. Actually, the biggest problem with sexual love is that it never lasts. Only if we accept this fact can we then really celebrate it for what it is. So, welcome, it's happening, and say goodbye with gratitude when it's not. Then, as we mature, we can begin to experience the love that exists beyond sexuality and honors the unique individuality of the other. We begin to understand that our partner often functions as a mirror reflecting unseen aspects of our deep self and supporting us to become whole. So the lovers are like two universes meeting there, the female universe, the male universe. So they are also looking like the same reflections. The lovers is the card of power. This love is based in freedom, not expectation or need. Its wings take us higher and higher towards the universal love that experiences all as one. These three things are to be taken note of. The lowest love is sex, it is physical, and the highest refinement of love is compassion. Sex is not exactly the love, sex is below love. Compassion is above love. Love is exactly in the middle. Very few people know what love is. 99% of people unfortunately think uh, sexuality is love, but it is not. Sexuality is very animal. It certainly has the potential of growing into love, but it is not actual love, only a potential. If you become aware and alert, meditative, then sex can be transformed into love. But usually, sex is not love. Same as the lovers are not based on sex. And if your meditativeness, total, if your meditativeness becomes total, absolute, then love can be transformed into compassion. Sex is the seed, love is the flower, compassion is the fragrance. So, when this card comes up in your readings, then don't think that this card is just based on sexualities. The lovers are two powers, the female and male universe are getting together and hugging their self here. So, the lovers is a very much great blessing of God, and it indicates the success is going ahead in your life, and you will receive it if you will be open, and if you will be opened about the receptivity of getting the and receiving the natural gifts. So Buddha has defined compassion as love plus meditation. When your love is not just a desire for the other, when your love is not only a need, when your love is a sharing, when your love is not that of a beggar, but an emperor, when your love is not asking for something in return, but is ready only to give the sheer, to give for the sheer joy of living, then add meditation to it, and the pure fragrance is released. That is compassion. Compassion is the highest phenomenon. So the lover suggests that we have not to beg about the love. Love is a natural element of soul. So if you want to get love and you get this card in your reading, then feel free to accepting the situations, whatever type of the situations you get from the partner or from the other person. Lover's card is very much passionate card in sex, but it is just not only the card of sex. And I feel that they are universes meeting together, and the creational energy is going to be produced when they will meet here. So as a result, the Lover's card is very much positive. As a start, this card is very much materialistic, because the start of a creation needs the sex between two things, between male and female, because sex create the seeds and compassion create the positivity and the energy for creating anything. So guys, I just posted this video because I was so much feeling the I was so much happy when got this card today, and whatever will happen in my life, I will share definitely. About tarot cards, I will share my some experiences there, because some of YouTubers are asking me for sharing the practical experiences with tarot. So I will let you know that what experiences I am finding in my life and my clients are finding in their predictions. So just be very much grateful for divine that you have watched this video, because when you are not any type of the when you are not having any type of the blessings, then you can't watch this video. So if you watch this video, then just accept this thing that you are blessed. So guys, if you like this short video on lovers, then please hit the like button. And I don't like to say again and again that that hit my video on like button, because it doesn't suits me. Just for fun I speak like that. So just enjoy, be happy, stay blessed, and I meet you again with my more videos. Thank you so much.